Goddamn, I smoke good. I just picked it off the tree.
What's going on, guys? Welcome to the first video. My name's Trinity, or B Trinity. It's 7:30 a.m. Beautiful morning, sun's out. Very few clouds in the sky. And today we are going to be fishing at a local pond 15 minutes away from our house. I'm gonna try to get on the water, get some fish, get some footage, get a nice video for you guys. This is gonna be the first video on my channel. I'm gonna be trying to upload as many videos as I can. I'm a bass fisherman. I like to fish as much as I can, you know, get things done. You know the deal. I'm gonna get down to the pond and I'll get back to you guys when I catch my first fish. Alright, this is the real juice right here, boys. I hope if I get blown up on, I hope you guys can see it. Oh, there's a fish. Hell yeah. First fish of the day, folks. That was a sick blow up too. Oh, he swiped at it. Look at that. Big. Not a bad little fish. Let's get the release on him. What? You? Yep.
Fuck. Keep tension.
Keep tight on him, keep tight on him.
Jumped out of the water.
That's my coat. I got it on camera, I'm pretty sure. Dude, get on a paddleboat out for that. Hooked up. Shandy's hooked up with a big one. Caught in the weeds.
He's done fighting.
Yeah. Is he on there still?
Yes. Please get him in.
Oh. Hey, okay. Oh, wow. Holy night. Grab that fucker. Yeah. Get the weeds off this son of a whore.
He swallowed that thing.
Nice fish.
Fuck yeah.
Hold that fucker up, Shandy. Yes, sir. I bet. Should we weigh him?
Yeah. Let's take a guess. I'm gonna guess
1.8.
I'm gonna go
Just under 2.
What do we got?
I was just giving him a drink. Two point 2.3.
2.3. Nice.
Nice fish.
Yeah.
Dude.
All I did was hurt it.
Really? I wonder if I'll... Oh, hell no. How are these things? Oh, they're tied down, I bet. Back there. Oh!
Nice, come on. Dude,
Come back for... There he is! Yeah! Let's go, boys. Small fish, but... Another fish. Another frog fish. Perfect hook set. Bye-bye. Thanks for biting my hook. Alright, so we just got done at the first spot. Me and Tyler both caught a fish. The other Tyler got skunks like always, you know. We're gonna switch up spots and then hopefully we can do better than this spot. Not like we did bad, but hopefully we can get some bigger size. 2.3, is that what the biggest one was in this first spot? Alright, get back to you guys. Alright, we are just getting to the second spot now. A little more of a secluded area. I take that back. When I said this was a local pond, this is more of a reservoir. It's got multiple parts to it, so you could pull up to one spot, fish another spot, and then drive a little bit and you'll find another part that connects to the same area. Yeah, I'm not sure if I'm gonna be able to fish topwater down here because this is more of like a beach area. Not as many weeds on the sides and stuff like that. So I'll get down here, get fishing, and I'll get back to you guys when I catch another fish. What? Really?
I'm a bobber.
Using the live bait, only one catching fish anymore. The end of your fame right there, buddy. Alright, just leaving the reservoir now. Not a bad day. Out there for about an hour and a half, 2 hours. He lost a nice fish, didn't get it on camera because the GoPro died, but I caught two, Shandy caught two. Shandy caught the biggest one of the day. Yeah, good day on the water, not bad. If you guys did enjoy the video, please leave a thumbs up, subscribe if you're new, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.